How to add promo codes on Doordash. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for doordash.com and just like so log in or sign up to your Doordash account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll then be able to find different kind of offers. You want to go ahead and choose the one that you would like to order. Go ahead and tap onto it. And inside here, you want to go ahead and scroll below and then make an order. Go ahead and tap on this plus icon and then simply tap on this little icon right over here. And then after you're done with the order, go ahead and tap on add to cart. Once it is added to your cart, head back to your home screen and then just like so tap on this cart icon right over here, tap onto it. And just like so tap on continue. Now inside here you want to go ahead and simply enter your shipping details, your delivery address and all of that. Once it is done, you want to go ahead and simply scroll below, then tap on deals and gift cards. And just like so inside here, you'll then be able to add your promo code. Go ahead and add any promo code you have and then tap on apply. And if the promo code is valid, you'll then be able to use that code. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.